Hi friends, how was the day? I think your day was very good. I am Kinjal Sonchetra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 6th tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 10th. We have discussed about elementary events in 4th session. And today we are going to discuss about complementary events. So don't waste the time and go to the topics. So topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework. Have you done your homework? I think you have done. Third, complementary events, which is new for you. And last one is homework. So starting with the basic formula. Formula is probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is known by E. Right? Homework answer. First question is, suppose we throw a dice once. What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? Less than or equal to means we should add number 4. So answers are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and total numbers are 4. So probability to get less than or equal to 4 equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 4 by 6. 4 by 6 means 2 by 3 because 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 cut. So answer is 2 by 3. Second question, find the probability to get number greater than 2. Greater than 2 means don't add 2. So answers are 3, 4, 5, 6 and total numbers are 4 when we throw the dice. So answer is probability to get greater than 2 equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 4 by 6 equals to 2 by 3. Got it? Third question is, find the probability to get number less than 3. Less than 3 means don't add number 3. And answers are 1 and 2. So total numbers 2 when we throw the dice. So answer is probability to get less than 3 equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 2 by 6. 2 by 6 equals to 1 by 3 because 2 3s are 6. Got it? If you have any question about answers, then you can ask me in comment section. So go to the next slide. It's complementary events. Complementary events which is new for you. So we have already seen the addition of probability of events is 1. Got it? In example, in coin, there are two sides, head and tail. Head and tail. So total outcomes are 2 and possibility to get head means number of possible outcomes equals to 1. So probability for event to get head equals to 1 by 2 and possibility to get tail equals to 1 because possible outcome is 1. So probability for an event to get head equals to 1 upon 2, which is familiar, right? So next is addition of both events, head and tail. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1 means addition of any event and not that event is 1. Check it here. Here answer is 1 by 2 means answer of head is 1 by 2 and answer of not head equals to also 1 by 2. Tail means not head. You can say not head. It is tail. So addition of both event or addition of event and not that event is 1. Suppose event of getting head is P of E. Suppose event of getting head is P of E. And note head is P of E bar. Note head. E bar means complement. Here E bar called complement means head is P of E and note head. Note head means tail. But don't write the tail. But at that place you should write note head means here P of E bar. E bar means note head and note head is tail. So we can say P of E plus P of E bar. E bar is complement of head or complement of any event equals to 1. So total is always 1. So P of E bar. E bar means complement of any event equals to 1 minus P of E. P of E means any event, probability event. Here the event E bar representing note E is called complement of the event E. We can also say that E and note E are complementary events. Have you any question about it? Then you can ask me in comment section. It is only complementary events. Got it? If you have any question, check it here. Have you any question? I think no, right? Still, if you have any question, then you can ask me in comment section. Now homework time. What is the probability of getting a number 8 in a single throw of dice? Check it here, number 8. Second question is, what is the probability of getting a number less than 7? Less than 7 in a single throw of dice. Best of luck, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.